there, and welcome to the very first episode of InsuranceGPTs podcast. I'm Jessica Weaver, founder of InsuranceGPTs.com and a longtime agency owner. This show is all about how tech-specifically AI is changing the game for independent insurance agencies. And today I'm kicking things off by sharing why I built InsuranceGPTs.com, what it actually does, and how it can help you run a more profitable, streamlined agency. So whether you're AI curious or just flat out overwhelmed by the day-to-day, this one's for you. Let me get straight to the point. Why did I build this platform? Because there's a massive gap in our industry. On one hand, AI is everywhere. Studies show that 79% of agency principals are planning to implement AI by 2025. That tells us something loud and clear. Our industry is ready for smarter, faster tools. But here's the problem. 30% of AI projects are expected to fail or be abandoned by that same year. Why? Poor data, bad integrations, sky-high costs, and a serious shortage of people who know how to implement these tools the right way. I created InsuranceGPTs.com to fix that, to bring plug-and-play AI tools directly to independent agencies. No coding, no steep learning curve, just real impact from day one. Here's what's happening right now. Small agencies are buried in admin, data entry, quoting, renewals, client questions. You know the drill, and it's eating up hours we should be spending on relationship building and growth. The truth is, AI can handle a huge chunk of that repetitive work. We're talking up to a 30% reduction in admin time. That's time you could spend deepening client relationships or going after new business. But it's not just about time, it's about expectations. Today's clients want speed, clarity, and a personalized experience. 84% of them say being treated as an individual matters. AI can help us deliver that without burning out our teams. Then there's the data. We're sitting on a gold mine of it, but most agencies don't have the bandwidth to turn it into action. AI can help surface insights that drive retention, cross-selling, and smarter decision-making. So what exactly is InsuranceGPTs.com? At its core, it's a platform we built to solve the real, everyday problems that commercial agents and agency owners face. We've developed a suite of specialized AI tools, each one laser-focused on a specific pain point. These aren't generic chatbots. They're built to understand the language of insurance, the complexity of commercial accounts, and the speed at which agencies need to move. This is one of my favorite tools because I use it with MarketMapper, and it is fabulous. If you're tired of chasing down quote requests and compiling submission packets manually, SubmissionPro is your new best friend. It helps you build complete carrier-ready submissions in minutes, not hours. It reviews applications, flags missing info, formats the data cleanly, and ensures nothing gets overlooked. It's a total game changer for busy commercial producers. You literally watch it make magic. Next, I thought, wouldn't a policy reviewer be fantastic for E&O protection? Absolutely. So PolicyPilot was born. Need to break down complex policies in plain English? PolicyPilot makes coverage easier to understand for your clients and your staff. It explains forms, highlights coverage gaps, and helps agents confidently guide clients through renewals or new policy discussions. Great for boosting trust and reducing E&O exposure. Oh, the time-consuming renewal process. It's one of the processes I enjoy and look forward to because when I sit with a business owner, I genuinely enjoy learning how their business has grown over the year. It's a great time to keep those relationships strong. Here's RenewalWave GPT. It will cut down the renewal season chaos. It will automate the pre-renewal process, helping your team gather updates, prep quotes, and craft tailored outreach emails that clients actually respond to. It's one of the easiest ways to increase retention and renewals without burning out your account managers. If you're like me, you wear many hats: admin, HR, sales, janitor. The list can be endless. Overwhelming to say the least. Do you even know what work-life balance really is? Do you wake up in the middle of the night wondering if you have time to run payroll with your large client deadlines and not to mention train your new CSR? I know I have many nights. So this, my friends, is when my thinking cap came on, and voila, CommissionPro was developed. If you're still trying to untangle carrier statements in spreadsheets, this one's for you. CommissionPro helps agency owners and operations teams reconcile commission statements, track down missing payments, and generate clean summaries of what's owed and what's been paid. No more end-of-month headaches. All right, let's talk results because this isn't just about looking tech-savvy. It's about your bottom line. First, time savings. Agencies using these tools are saving up to 15 hours per employee per week. Multiply that by your hourly rate and your team size, you're looking at thousands of dollars saved every month. Second, Capacity expansion. By automating repetitive tasks, your existing team can handle more clients without increasing headcount. One agency we work with grew their book by 22% without hiring anyone new. Third, better cross-selling. Our tools surface coverage gaps and recommend add-ons in real time. On average, agencies using our tools see an 18% boost in policies per client. And last but not least, consistency. No missteps, no compliance slip-ups, no emails sent in a rush. These tools help you raise the floor and the ceiling of your operations. Let me give you some quick examples of agencies already using InsuranceGPTs.com. A Midwest agency was spending 45 minutes per client on policy renewals. With our RenewalWave GPT, they cut that to 5 minutes. Across 1,200 clients, that's over 800 hours saved a year. One commercial agency was struggling to place a very complex risk in the construction space. It had high liability, multi-state operations, the works. Normally, it would have taken them days to research viable markets. But with MarketMapper Pro, they cut that process down to under 30 minutes. The tool identified key carriers, matched appetite based on class codes and region, and helped them package the submission with precision. Result, bound policy, happy client, and serious time saved. Another agency used PolicyPilot GPT to review a client's existing policy against the terms of a vendor contract. Within seconds, it flagged coverage gaps and highlighted 3 missing endorsements the client needed for compliance. That kind of insight not only protected the insured, it positioned the agency as a true advisor, not just a broker. This isn't theory, it's happening right now. Here's the bottom line, AI isn't a future trend anymore, it's here. And the agencies that embrace it now will have a serious edge in efficiency, client experience, and profitability. This isn't about replacing people, it's about giving your team superpowers. It's about running leaner, faster, and smarter. InsuranceGPTs.com was built by agency owners for agency owners because we know what this industry really needs. If you're ready to explore how AI can help you scale without burnout, head over to InsuranceGPTs.com and start your free trial. You've got nothing to lose and a more profitable, future-ready agency to gain. Thanks for joining me on this special launch episode of the Insurance GPT podcast. In the next one, we'll dig into specific use cases and success stories from agencies that are transforming their operations with our GPTs. Until then, keep your coverage tight and your tech smarter. See you next time.